Applying your screen protector with Mous. Step 1. Grab your cleaning wipe and give your screen a wash. Step 2. Grab your duster thing and dry the screen off. Step 3. Grab your dust absorber and pick up any remaining specks. Step 4. Pick up your rig and select the appropriate insert for your phone. Then secure in place using your charging port. Step 5. Remove the cap from the rig. Step 6. Grab your screen protector and match up the top and bottom row of holes with the rig. Step 7. Replace the cap onto the rig. Step 8. Turn the screen protector perpendicular to your phone and remove your first tab. Yours will have the number 3 on it. Step 9. Drop the screen protector down and smooth away any initial air pockets with your hands. Step 10. Use your scraper to get rid of any other bubbles you can see. Step 11. Remove the next tab, which will be facing you and have the number 4 on it, and in doing so, remove the rig. Step 12. Use your duster and or scraper to remove any final bubbles you can find.
Wow.
Look what you've done.
Wow.
And you're done!